mga friends. So, we discuss yung this is parang day 6, character is everything. So, medyo hindi masyadong na-expound yung character. So, ano ba yung character? Hindi, sinasabi lang na in leadership, one of the things that will prefer our success to be a leader is character. So, while reading, nakikita natin naman dito sa book ni Brother Bo Sanchez, Break and Bounce, character. So, let's define character. So, sabi niya, character is how you behave when life is very far from how you imagine it to be. So, a crisis daw, diagnose your character. So, sabi niya, you know what kind of character you have. Not when everything is rosy, fine and dandy. Not when the sun is shining. Not when all the plants are going smooth. Not when everything likes you. So, hindi daw doon tayo nade-determine yung character natin. So, kailan nade-determine yung character natin? So, character is how you behave when everything is totally going wrong and you're being attacked by problems at every side. So, the worst of times pala, doon na sa surface yung true character natin kasi doon tayo natitest. So, parang just like gold, diba, is tested by fire. So, kind ba tayo? So, when things are not going as smoothly as it is and everything is not fine and we are attacked at all sides, doon pa tayo natitest. Are we kind? So, ano pa ba? When you have no money to pay your bills, so, ano ba yung character? Are we kind when that situation is around? When your kids are going astray, are we kind? When a family member has cancer, so ito daw yung mga situation that our character is shown or tested. So sabi niya, amidst the trial, will you remain faithful? Will you remain loving? Will you remain patient? Will you remain kind? So yan, that's our character. We are tested by times, by trouble, by challenges to make our character shine. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.